Welcome back to World Best Car, the ultimate destination for all things automotive. In today's exciting video, we're diving into the future of electric SUVs with a detailed look at the Volvo EX90, Volvo's flagship electric SUV that is redefining safety, sustainability, and sophistication on the road. If you've been looking for the perfect combination of power, innovation, and advanced safety features, then the EX90 might just be the car of your dreams. The Volvo EX90 isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a bold statement from Volvo, a brand that has long been synonymous with safety, luxury, and practicality. With the EX90, Volvo is making its mark on the future of sustainable driving, offering a completely electric solution that combines cutting-edge technology with a focus on driver and passenger safety. From the moment you lay eyes on the EX90, it's clear that this SUV is built for the modern age. Sleek, bold, and beautifully crafted, the EX90's exterior design stands out as a testament to Volvo's commitment to high-quality engineering. The body features clean lines and a streamlined shape that not only gives the car a futuristic look but also enhances its aerodynamic efficiency, which is key to improving battery range and performance. But let's talk about what really matters when it comes to an electric SUV: power and performance. The Volvo EX90 is equipped with dual-motor all-wheel drive, offering a combination of power and control that you'd expect from a flagship SUV. With impressive horsepower and instant torque, this electric vehicle is designed to give you that exhilarating feeling of acceleration without the environmental cost of traditional fuel-powered vehicles. Thanks to its high-capacity battery, the EX90 offers a long-range driving experience, allowing you to travel farther on a single charge. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or navigating through busy city streets, you can count on the EX90's battery technology to keep you going with ease. Charging times are optimized as well, ensuring that you're never stuck waiting for long periods to continue your journey. Now, let's talk about one of the most impressive features of the Volvo EX90, its advanced safety systems. As we know, Volvo has always been a leader in automotive safety, and the EX90 takes that legacy to the next level. Volvo's cutting-edge driver assistance technologies are all present in the EX90. With a state-of-the-art suite of sensors, cameras, and radars, the EX90 is equipped to detect potential hazards around the vehicle. This allows the SUV to automatically take preventive actions, such as emergency braking or lane-keeping assistance, to help avoid collisions. One of the standout features is the Pilot Assist system, which offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making highway driving more comfortable and less stressful. As expected from a vehicle that represents the future, the Volvo EX90 is packed with advanced tech features that connect you to your car and the world around you in innovative ways. The infotainment system is powered by Google, giving you access to Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play right from your dashboard. For added convenience, the EX90 also offers over-the-air updates, allowing your car's software to stay up to date without needing to visit a service center. This feature ensures that your vehicle is always operating at its best, with new features and improvements delivered automatically. In conclusion, the Volvo EX90 is not just another electric SUV, it's a vehicle that stands at the forefront of automotive innovation. With its stunning design, top-tier safety features, long-range capabilities, and cutting-edge technology, the EX90 sets a new standard for electric vehicles. For anyone looking for a sustainable, luxurious, and safe SUV for the modern age, the Volvo EX90 should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Volvo's flagship electric SUV, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to World Best Car for more in-depth reviews and updates on the world's best vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.